Hello coders, welcome back to my channel Lazy Coder. Today we will see POS system using Claude code. In this project I have developed multiple features, okay, including if you see the AI insights, okay, POS terminal would be there, orders, product, category, inventory management system is also there in this project. Okay, there are 4 roles including admin, cashier, manager, okay, and okay, so this is the currently you are seeing the admin dashboard on which monthly sales trade sales by the region would be shown here. If we change the regions, so according to the regions these graphs are changing. Okay, so if I select north data are showing. If I select west, so north or west data is showing. Okay, and in this project if you will also get the project report which have all the diagrams like sequence diagram is there, right, activity diagram is there for this project, and all the database tables with all the primary key with all the year diagrams, so you will get it. Okay, so we will see all these project features one by one. Okay, so before proceeding to the features, let's go to my channel Lazy Coder. Okay, so please subscribe to it. Here I have uploaded multiple projects like hospital management, hostel management is there, right, AI smart city, queue management, pharmacy. There are lots of projects are there. You can check this out on my channel. Okay, and please subscribe it because once it's pretty, right, for you, but it means a lot to me. So please subscribe, it will really motivate me to create more projects like this. Okay, so let's go to the project, and here if you see, this is the currently I have logged in with the admin account. Okay, and so this is the dashboard where first section is showing the cards like total sales, total targets, and these are the graphs for the monthly sales target. Okay, here is the total sales and it is the total target. So here if you see total sales is less than the target, so it's visually good to see through graphs, right? So if we change the regions, it's like data is changing. If based on the product category also, like if you want to see accessories, how much accessories are selling, right, so you can change the accessories, and you can also filter out based on the calendars. For some dates, if you see I selected this 21st, so no category means much sales is not there, right? In the west region there is no any sales, right? So if we select the south, east, north, okay, accessories, beauty, product, so based on this there are multiple filters are there based on which admin can see the data. Okay, now let's go to the POS terminal. Okay, so if we click on the POS terminal, here what you will see that all the products, okay, will be shown here. Okay, so if we click here, right, so you can see that beautiful animations are showing, all the products list will be shown here. So this POS system is not for any particular product only. You can use this for any product, like you can also use it for the restaurant management system, okay, or any business you want to. You can choose the add the product, okay, and sell it. Okay, so you can see that I have added multiple, like more than 50 products I have added it here, like raincoat, pressure cooker, whatever is there. Okay, so suppose admin can also sell it. Okay, so suppose if I want to sell this kettle, okay, so I will click on it. Once I added this like electric kettle here, so you can see that it's coming here. Okay, if I click twice, so 2 quantity added and the amount got changed. Okay, and now coupon can also be applied. Okay, so coupon facility is also there here. Let me go to the discounts here. Okay, and here if you see here flat 500 is the coupon code, right? So let's apply it. Okay, now suppose if I want to click on the badminton, okay, and coupon code is lap 550. Okay, so now if we click on it, you can see that this much sales came, right? Okay, now if I want to see the invoice, so invoice got also generated. Okay, here you can see that QR code is generated. So if you will scan this QR code, the product information will be shown to you also. Okay, you can print it or save it. Okay, and beautiful invoice is also showing here, right? Okay, now let's go to the AI insights here. Okay, here all the forecast of the future sales is showing here, like predicted the July salary means the next month sales sorry sales will be shown here, right? And the forecast for the June to July it's also showing here, and most profitable products based on the sales it's showing here, right? And peak selling hours, demand by day means on which day more demands came, right? It's also showing here category wise performance. So electronic items is got more sale, right? So that's why it's showing here. So okay, so this is about the AI insights. This is the like notification bar where all the notification will come like new sales completed. So click on the mark all as you read. Okay, so now the notification that is gone here from order, like Excel export is also there. So all the data and that you want to export it to Excel, you can do it. You can search and apply all the filters. You can click on view. Okay, product, you can also like admin can also add the product. So okay, if we click on new product, like the name, SKU, right? Barcode is there, right? Category is also there. So image you can choose, cost price, what is the cost price, what would be the selling price, stock, like how much stock you have, tax percentage, low stock. So like on what basis you want to get updated, right? Based on the low stock also you can update here. Category can be also added here. Okay, and the same for the inventory. So suppliers are there. Suppliers can also be added, deleted. Purchase histories they also there. So suppose any cashier would have like purchased, so then it will be shown here. Okay, customers is there, so customer account can be also managed from here. Customer can also do the sign ups. Okay, discount coupon is there. Okay, that we have currently seen it. Payments, all the payments related information will be shown here. Okay, invoices are there that we have just seen it, right? So invoices is there. Employees can also be managed from here, like manager. Okay, so admin can add the account of manager or cashier. Suppose if I click on the new account, so admin click on new account, so role can be a manager, cashier, customer, right? Okay, and yeah, password can be also set by the admin. Customer account can be created by the manager, admin, and customer can also create the account by signing up. Okay, right? And cashier team, suppose if you want to see the performance of some cashier, so you can see it, right? That today's sales, how much sale that cashier has made, right? Total 5 or 45 order is made by this cashier for, right? Okay, I will show all the functionality of the cashier when I will log in. Okay, so reports, APC reports. So how much last 30 days profit are there? So this is showing here, right? Average order value is 7,000, right? Card payment is getting UPI payment is getting more numbers, right? So it's showing here, yeah. Analytics page from where like all the sales targets can be made. Okay, and admin can like month wise sales set the targets. Okay, so month wise add target in admin. Okay, so like admin can set the how much the target would be. Okay, for year. So this much here from here it can be added by the admin. Okay, so this is about the admin functionality. Now let's go back to the, let's log in. So this is the, you can say the home page. Okay, this is the about us, contact us page is also there. Okay, now let's log in with the manager account. Okay, and then I will show you the manager functionality. Or let's log in with the customer account first. Okay, okay, so let's sign up. Okay, so now when customer has logged in, all the data are showing here, right? 000. So once I will do the purchase, you can see that these numbers will change. So suppose let's go to the browse product. Okay, so now all the details of backpack, badminton, ball pen, all the products are showing here. Suppose if I want to this buy this desk lamp. Okay, so I will click on this desk lamp, and you can also mark the as a wish list. Okay, so if I will mark this badminton as a wish list, so if you go to the wish list here, only badminton is showing here, right? Not the bulb. So in the cart, if you see, bulb will be there. So both are the serves the different purposes. Okay, and we can select the regions and then click on the place orders. Once I will place orders, okay, what will happen that admin or cashier will confirm the pending, and the order will be marked as a success. Invoice will not be shown here. Why? Because we have not paid it, right? So I will log in with the cashier. Okay, and then I will mark this order as a okay, receives the orders. Okay, so loyalty point is in 0. Once I will do the payment, it will this number will be increased. Okay, so let's log out from the account and log in as a cashier. Okay, so now you can see that here today's sales is 1. So orders today, if we go here. Suppose some okay, so that order will be completed by, I think, admin only. Okay, so if we click on the backpack, suppose some customer came. Okay, and I have selected that Sumit Kumar. Okay, these two order is made by them. Okay, so I will click on the complete sale. Okay, so these are the sales and this is the invoice that is generated by for the Sumit Kumar, that customer, right? Same customer, and all those details are showing here with all the GST, right? CGST, SGST is showing here. Okay, and this is the orders that is showing here. If we click on the notification bell icon, all those informations are showing here. Okay, now this much is the only for the cashiers. Okay, now I will log in as a manager, and then I will complete that orders. Okay, so let's log out from the cashier. Okay, and log in as a manager. Okay, so this is the dashboard. Okay, 1 second. So pending payment, this one, right? So if we click on view 1, so that we added it, right? This one, desk lamp. Okay, so let's click mark paid and complete. So for the Sumit Kumar, 2 order will be there. One is made by the cashier, and the second order is made by the this manager, right? We see the like functionality of manager. Total sales is today is 11,000. Today's order is 5. Sales is this much. My cashier. So cashier will be reported by the manager. So my cashier means for this manager, 3 cashiers are there, right? And target achievement is 56%. This much graphs are showing here. Okay, like sales by category showing here, right? Low stocks, recent orders, and here all is like same POS terminal would be there for the managers also. Okay, and like AI insights are there. Okay, same prediction of the next month sales and all will be there for the managers also. And my teams is the new one, like for like means all the cashier that is reporting to this manager will be shown like how much total sales they made, so that the manager can track the performance of the cashiers. Okay, so this is the report where manager can see all the profits that is made, every order value is there, right? So manager can also see similar functionality, not all but similar functionality to the admin. Okay, so now let's log in as a customer. Now you will see that loyalty point will also got increased, right? You can see that the two orders is completed, one is by the cashier and another is by the admin, manager, right? So 52 loyalty points it got. So using this they can do some shoppings also. Okay, and if we see the wish list, still your badminton is there, right? Browse products is there. Like now means the customer can see the my invoices. Here too my invoice got generated for the customer also. So yeah, this is about the POS system. If you want this project, you can check the description, and please subscribe to Lazy Coder so that it will really motivate me to create more projects. Thank you so much.